Hey guys, it's Trip, Twisty Dog Creations. Today I'm going to do a really quick build. I'm going to do a Mandalorian style Vibroblade. That's their fancy knife that the blade vibrates so fast that it'll cut through almost everything. I'm going to base it loosely around my favorite Canadian bayonet. It's just such a nice blade. We're going to use some 1/4-inch polycarbonate, aka Lexan, bulletproof glass. Going to use some junk parts. Going to use a little motor out of some broken toys that I've got. Give it a little. I've got the nice handle from a Robo Battle Roborg game thing from a long time ago. We're going to put some lights in it. We're going to put some sounds in it. That's not what a lightsaber is supposed to sound like, is it, folks? We're not going to use that sound. We're going to put some greeblies on the handle. We're gonna make it actually light up and buzz with the push of a button. This thing already has a switch and a button, so we're gonna hack the little electronics piece. Maybe even reuse some of the battery holder. Yeah. So sit back and watch. Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, get that apart. Little switches. We'll take that off so we can get at the switches. And when you take that out, we're not going to need these batteries. We're not going to use those. So there we go. Alright, we got the blade roughed out. We got the handle roughed in. Alright, so my hope is we're going to use a little battery out of this little dead toy. Don't know if it anymore. I think it works, but... Anyhow, we know the battery works. We're going to keep the rest of it for parts. Let's snip this off. We're going to need a way to charge this battery, so we're going to use this as the battery charger. Little does it know.
don't know the power of the dark side.
You know, sometimes I amaze even myself.
Hey everybody, thanks for making it to the end. I hope you enjoyed my Mandalorian Vibroblade build. I'm going to stop, and this is going to be the end of part 1, and I'm going to do the weathering and the sheath for part 2. Partly because it took me 5 days to do this one-day build, and I'm kind of burned out from it, and I've got a lot of editing to do just to do the video that you just watched, which hopefully you liked. And you know, I don't really want to get it all dirty just yet, so I'm going to keep it clean for a few days. I took lots of cool pictures. I'm going to take some more pictures. Hope everything stays pretty, and then I'm going to dirty it up and make a sheath for it. So come back for the next video when we do that. Although the next video might be part 3 of the Mandalorian mouse droid. It depends on my daughter's mood, if she wants to paint it or not. And yeah, we'll see how we go. I go poker. Get to it. So hit that like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and yeah. There's a big shout out to Brian at the Smuggler's Room. I built something out of nothing just for you, buddy. Well, it's not for you, it's for me. I'll build you one if you want me to, but I think you could build a better one. Anyways, see you later, guys.
Computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.